Stop. Before you learn German, answer this. Why does W sound like V and V sound like F and Z sound like TS? German be like, let's confuse everyone. Hello everyone. Welcome to Learn German Step by Step. My name is Ankit Kalra and today we will learn German with fun plus secret pronunciation tricks. Let's start with a simple conversation. Guten Tag. Hello. Hello. Hi. Wie heißen Sie? What is your name? Ich heiße Ankit. My name is Ankit. Und Sie? And you? Ich heiße Rahul. My name is Rahul. Freut mich. Nice to meet you. Mich auch. Me too. Now comes the fun pronunciation rules. Rule number 1. W is equal to V. Wasser is equal to Wasser. Rule number 2. V is equal to F. Vater is equal to Vater. Rule number 3. Z is equal to TS. Sight is equal to sight. Rule number 4. CH is equal to throat sound. Ish is equal to ish. Yes, like you are angry. Now, level up. Let's learn vowel and combination magic. Rule number 5. EI is equal to AI sound. Mine is equal to mine, my. So don't say mean. German will cry. Rule number 6. IE is equal to EE sound. Liebe is equal to Liebe, love. Easy, just stretch it. Rule number 7. EU is equal to OY sound. Heute is equal to heute, today. Yes, German said surprise. Rule number 8. SP is equal to SHP. Sport is equal to Sport. Rule number 9. ST is equal to SHT. Strasse is equal to Strasse. Now you sound super German. Let's use it in conversation. Wie geht es Ihnen? How are you? Mir geht es gut. I am fine. Super happy? Mir geht es sehr gut. Bad day? Mir geht es nicht gut. Now repeat with full power. Guten Tag. Hallo. Wie heißen Sie? Ich heiße Ankit. Und Sie? Ich heiße Rahul. Freut mich. Nice to meet you. Mich auch. Wie geht es Ihnen? Mir geht es super gut. Danke. Und Ihnen? Mir geht es auch gut. Amazing. Now you don't just speak German, you sound German. Remember this magic formula. W is equal to V. V is equal to F. Z is equal to TS. EI is equal to AI. IE is equal to EE. EU is equal to OY. SP is equal to SHP. ST is equal to SHT. If someone says German is difficult, you say Nein, it's fun. Like, share and subscribe to learn German step by step. Comment below. German is fun. Hey hey. See you in the next lesson. Tschüss.